Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making chocolate chip cookies. This is a family favorite recipe. These cookies are soft and chewy and delicious. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar firmly packed, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter or margarine, everything at room temperature, and 1 to 2 cups of chocolate chips. I used 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips just so that you could adjust more or less depending on what you think would work best for your family. A lot of times my family asks for just a tiny little bit of chocolate chips because the base dough for this is really good. So today I am using my KitchenAid stand mixer, just letting it do all the work for me. I'm adding all of the dry ingredients first, the flour, both of the sugars, salt, baking soda. Then I'm going to add on my paddle attachment and go ahead and just mix all of those dry ingredients together until it is pretty uniform. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my wet ingredients. I have my eggs, my vanilla, and my butter. I'm going to mix those until completely combined, and you'll see that the dough starts to actually pull away from the side. So once it is completely cleaning the bowl, you're ready to go. You can also do this in just a regular bowl and get your hands in there and mix it all around. That's what I do when I make them with the kids. I just get in there and we just mix them with a spoon and then by hand. So we've added in the chocolate chip just until mixed. You only want to mix those together until just mixed in because you don't want them to start to break down. You want to have those big chunks of delicious chocolate in there. You can use an ice cream scoop or a small cookie scoop if you have it, but if you don't worry, just grab yourself a teaspoon and just pull out a spoonful of dough using your hand. Get them all, roughly around the same size. And then just drop them onto your cookie sheet. You don't need to flatten these cookies down, they will flatten while you're baking. And if any of those chocolate chips fall out, just go ahead and grab them and stick them back in there. You don't want to lose any of that deliciousness. So they are ready to go. I'm going to pop them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. Keep your eye on them. Ovens do vary. I have pulled them out of ovens at 9 minutes. Sometimes I've had to stay for 11. So just keep an eye on it, but it's about 10 minutes. This recipe made just over 4 dozen, almost 5. Transfer your cookies onto a baking rack, and then you are ready to enjoy these delicious, chewy chocolate chip cookies. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.